હવે પેલું જે હોમનું પંચદેવતા હોમમ ક્રિયતે તસ્માત ગૃહાત અગ્નિ આનિતવ્ય. A fireplace home seat is to be kept between the place of goddess Devata and Yajman. One who worships, if possible, it should be in the center of all the three Devi, Yajman, and the door of the home or the house. Home seat, fireplace is either a Vedi or a Standil or a Kunda or a ready-made earthen pot of copper. If a Vedi, Standil or a Kund is to be prepared, then the measurement of the hand of the Yajamana is to be kept in mind, one who is performing the puja. But for convenience, we use the ready-made metal place, Tamrakunda. And now, we normally use a Tamrakunda and say, now we are going to light fire for home, that is fire worship. During Navratri Puja, holy fire worship is to be performed on the 8th day. Fire Agni is the mouth of Devas. Agnihi Mukham Devatanam, that is what is told in Aitareya Brahmana. Now, Agni can be procured by the following methods. Agni can be produced by chanting mantras. Agni can be procured by moving Arni, that is wood. Agni can be procured directly from the rays of the sun with the help of a mirror, or Agni can be brought from the holy place of any Agnihotra, and lastly, Agni can be procured by anybody from the home cooking place or by a normal stick matchbox. A fireplace is to be kept, that is Yagna Kunda, or the place of fire to be worshipped is to be kept between the goddess and the Yajman. And now coming back to the preparation of the Agni fireplace, we say, if there is a Vedi, Standil or a Kunda, there is a specific procedure to be practiced where the measurement of the Yajman is to be taken of the hand, that is from the knee to the middle of Ranga, that is the measurement is to be taken. But normally these days a prepared copper kunda is used, and so no need of preparing a special Vedi or Standil or a kunda. Now there are different articles like Sruva, Sruka, which is to be used to have the Ahuti to the Agni. Before the use of Sruk and Sru, Durva is to be used, and also Darba is to be used. Durva is to be used at the puja, that is Ganpati Pujan, and this Darba is an important grass which is to be used at the time of fire home. Now, on every important matter, that is according to the Deshakala, in a home, Vedi, Sthandila, Yagdakunda, they are to be purified by the cow urine and cow dung. But now these days it is not possible to bring everywhere this cow urine or cow dung.